just some volume stuff. And so what I need to do is I need to combine keywords, and so it's in here previously, so I'm going to clean all this out. And okay, so I'm going to clean all of that out, and then let me bring my keyword list in. And so I think I'm going to drop that there. All right, so need to see. All right, I need to clean this up first. Wasn't expecting to have these extra spaces, so scrub keywords. And so what I'm going to do is remove extra spaces, remove duplicate lines, and boom. And so anyway, so I've got, so here's my keyword list over here. Got it updated, so now I can jump back over here to combine keywords, and so anyway, these are some cities, and then going to be working with remodeling, and I think I'm actually going to do this. And so this is a great tool when you've got to combine words to create different variations. And so I'm just checking my list offline here. So another one will be innovation, and I think I'm going to leave it just like that. And so what I'm going to do is I've got an asterisk here, so this is going to be my wild card. And so what I need to do is I need to combine all of these. So I just need to create all the combinations. And so you can see over here on the right, I've got that all done. And so now what I'm going to do is I've got another keyword tool that I use that I'm going to load all of that into, and I'm going to let it run. This will probably take somewhere around anywhere from 2 to maybe 3, maybe even 4 hours for this to run out. And so I'm going to let this run out, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Google Keyword Planner, and then I'm going to get actual search counts, and I'll use some of that data and the numbers to build out some of my campaigns and my ad groups for client. But if you're ever in a situation where you've kind of got some base terms or words that you want to pair up to a geographic area, this is a great tool. It is Keyword Translation Factory. I use it all the time whenever I'm doing any type of keyword research. Hope you found this helpful.